In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play football squares, also known as Super Bowl squares, quick and easy. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But we're going to be walking you through how you can pick squares, how to read the grid so you know who wins during the game. But in this example, I'm going to be using an online football squares grid. It's a free website that lets you create and play football squares without needing an account, and it automatically tracks winners live during the game. But football squares is essentially played on a 10 by 10 grid. In total, this gives you 100 different squares just like so, and each player is going to randomly pick one or more square off the grid at first. And at first, the grid doesn't mean anything yet because the numbers haven't been assigned. Once all the squares are going to be filled, which as you can see, these ones are actually missing right now, random numbers from 0 to 9 are assigned across the top and down the side of the grid. These numbers are going to represent the last digit of each team's score. At the end of each quarter, you look at the score. For example, if one team has 27 points and the other team has 16 points, you only care about the last couple digits, so 7 and 6. So you'll find, the row 7 with the column number 6 and kind of trace it all the way down. Where those two numbers intersect is going to be the winning square for that quarter. So that person wins for the quarter. And this is essentially just repeated at the end of each quarter. And sometimes the final score also has a separate payout. There's not really any skill involved since the numbers are assigned randomly after all quarters are chosen. Football squares is mostly a game of luck. So the best thing that you could do is simply pick your squares and enjoy the game. If you're using an online grid, the site will automatically track the scores and highlight the winning squares for you here in real time, so you don't really have to do any math. But that's really it. Football squares is a super simple game. It can look confusing at first, but once you understand it and how the numbers work, it's super easy to follow. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. And of course, if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.